back to another video. Today I am coming to you from Triplets on the bay at this guest house. I will be showing you around, and also my YouTube family. I will be having a little chit chat with the owner of the building. It is very cool and nice here. Please stay tuned. This is what it looks like when you approach the property. It is Triplets on the bay. In some areas of my video, my apologies if you hear me saying triplets at the beach, but it's Triplets on the bay. So guys, if you look carefully, you'll see the number and the gate, and the first number is the only one working at present. Guys, at the back, this is where all the beauty begins. We have some beach chairs overlooking the sea. We also have, you know, our Jamaican coconut tree. We have a nice little pool area here, right? So guys, I am taking you around. And remember, this is Triplets at the bay. At the extreme back, you will find that Triplets at the bay is actually facing the ocean. I'm with the owner of the property, and he's Steeman, and he's going to tell us a little about the property, when he acquired it, how long he has been doing business here, and how business has been treating him while he is here in Montego Bay.
Yeah, well, for really, yeah, me and Papadi, the artists, I mean, the international reggae artists, yeah, they are different places from Japan to Europe, everywhere, you know. We started this place from a couple years ago now, you know, and me and Papa we put hands and heart together and create this thing and build this thing here, you know, along with Evelyn, these people from Germany who put their things together, the money together and everything together to make this happen.
Yes.
And we say, I remember one night when Papa just coming from Germany, I turned to him and said, yo, you know, we want to create a place where out of the heart of the Almighty. You know,
right.
See, when I want to come here and can feel that kind of love and kind of happiness and shine, you know, and supposed to boy, you know, we create a thing, Rastaman and create a thing where people can be satisfied feelings and emotional feelings and every kind of feelings, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So, but this place, Triplets on the Bay, is a wonderful place, it's a great place, you know. When people come here, they never really know it was like this and feel like this. Because when they first come at the back round here, they would think it's the front. When they come around here the back, this is the front.
Yes, that's the most amazing thing about this place, people, is that when you come to the front, it's actually, the front looks like, I wouldn't say the back, but when you actually come to the back, that's where all the beauty is. Because you have a little pool behind me, and then you have the ocean, so you can basically come off the step, and go to the ocean.
Yes, because it's only wall which part the ocean, it's part the beach from the sea. So you can just stay and just jump in and from out of the pool and jump in the ocean. That's why we build the pool level where it's like a champagne pool.
Yes.
You can just have a drinks on the wall, water is just right here, and just looking over to see what's going on.
Mm-hmm.
Feel the vibe, getting the sensation of the breath of the sea, because remember, it's a breathtaking scene.
Yes.
You know,
And
a medical breathtaking scene.
Right.
So we give thanks.
And even right now, people, right here, it's very cool and nice, and the surrounding is very clean, well kept.
Yeah,
I guess
man.
visitor must enjoy this.
Oh my, listen man, I want to tell you the first time we have visitor here, you know, is one just on their phone and just call him sister, brother, whosoever our friends back in America where they're from.
Yes.
And say, here's where I am.
Yes.
And people just pulling people. It's
Yes.
like a magnet to a steel, you know?
Yes.
Yeah man, people just pulling people. And trust me, and when the greatest thing is that when them come, and them come back, that's it well. Come back up in a way.
Yes.
Come see us. The hospitality love the kid.
Yes.
And
That's what I felt when
you
I
know,
came and I saw you.
It's like, it's a different thing.
Right.
So right now if you go on the interview and just on the internet and you check out like the views and reviews of me and Papa Lee and Martin, great chef and all these kind of different things, you know.
So if people want to find out where we are sitting,
Mm-hmm.
it is
Triplets on the bay.
right.
Yes.
How did I come up with that name? Triplets.
Because it's it's 3 buildings.
Oh.
The 1 bedroom, 3 bedroom, and the 4 bedroom.
Right.
You know. And then me always, whenever she said the family boy comes to my life to get one, you know,
Yes.
get a triplet. You said me. So you know, I just said, well,
So you're originally from St. James?
yeah, man, I'm original St. James. You know.
Yes.
But these are, I mean, across the Highlands, you know,
Yes.
one we're familiar with this piece. See? Because we're in the business from a long time, we're on the road with Papa Lee, them 6 relations band, all
Right.
over the place up here. Then we have like the great 809 band, Sagittarius band, Gregory that then Roots Radical.
Wow.
Yeah, you know.
Yes.
Then it's grown with light parks and all them things. So we have the 6 Revelation always in bouncing with them, you know.
Yes.
You know,
Yes.
all over with all these international artists, where you call it, you say, do not record in a town, so we are, if actually, all these recordings too, from the original,
Right.
yes, you know, that time I like to do I said, yeah man, so, and
It's a lot of work.
you will probably, and plus, we will probably go through farming, because farming is one of my greatest
Yes.
life, is a part of my life, that saying,
Yes.
yeah,
Eating
man.
healthy.
That's why I told you that even I'm a sensitive man.
Yes.
The guy just love this
Saint-
person called St. Elizabeth.
And I'm from St. people if you have never known.
Yes, man. So I say,
Before.
and I always say for me a little boy I come to man, my wife.
If you come from St. If your goodness come from
Oh
St.
my
Food,
God, man.
people.
When you hear they say the food basket of the island,
Yes.
not only Jamaica, of the island, it was a blessed, salt them put on St. Elizabeth.
Right.
I'm not talking about from what I'm here. I wish I could go there and live around amongst the people and the
mingle.
most kindest set of people them can find. Trust me. So we don't want no outsiders to run, go up there and go mash up the people in place. We don't turn on no yarn and let the people in place, but find some ways and go.
Yes, and some of them
See?
are doing that.
Yeah man, go at the people in place with no little nastiness. Dress up on yourself good and put on the trousers on the waist and all them, they want to just put on some things good and them kind of way.
Yes.
And go at the people in place with pride and respect. And you're going to mess up the people in place.
Sad to say, you have a lot of people who are, culprits keep coming to the parish.
Yeah man, you always find that.
And then
man.
you're not
You
safe
always find
anymore, you can't leave the door open. Like first time in St.
Yeah.
would do that. Now you hear gunshot in St. Elizabeth that never normally happen.
Yeah, but you see,
You know?
you see what happened? He come into a hen, he come into say, everybody, yo, a good over evil. A good over evil. And right now it's coming to an end to everything that's corrupt. See, because we don't want corruption around here.
But what I noticed with Montego Bay too, especially in Bogue Heights, you can plant basically anything and it grows. But you could plant in Manchester and St. James is very fruitful as well.
Yeah man, we're right around the island and Jamaica is very blessed. Man.
Yes.
Because what they come here come in different parishes. Because I go to even Portland and I find some fruits up here which I never saw in different parish.
Yes.
Those kind of fruits. I even see some sheep go over up there which is different. So the whole island is blessed. I look on it from this era. This era used to be a big international farm where the white roots of the rose are.
Right.
Okay?
Right.
Her house is just out there. This big palace of her is out there and still existing.
Yes.
And people from all over the world come here to visit and see that big great house.
Yes. Because I did a tour on that as well.
Right. So what will happen, this era is so, that's why this era is so fruitful. Go all the way back to Barrytown, Lilliput, because all those places was his property too, you know. Where she have many people who work with them and call them slaves. You know, but none of the slave, because they never about a slave. Because, you know, you don't know you already. So Jamaica is very fruitful.
Yes.
But the thing is like, it's the blessed moment of this island, which are the Almighty have given to the people. The people don't know it. You know? So when I tell someone, yo, at times the bad man go to and end it because them think they eliminate.
Yes.
I mean, it's not only with the thought of the good people, but with the power of the Almighty. So one shape up on yourself. You when you come to shape up on yourself. Big man, what did they already shape up on yourself, and woman and everybody shape up on themselves.
Yeah.
Because good over.
And they make Jamaica look bad.
I mean to say,
Because Jamaica is a beautiful place, you know.
Yes,
like when you hear people saying, oh, I want to come to Montego Bay because Montego Bay is this and that. But my experience here, I haven't had any bad experience since I've been here.
Make I share something
I've
with
met
you.
some good people.
As I will like to go in contact and I share something with you. We have a problem with medias and some media's houses because what really happened, they try to paint the most worst picture just to have money. See? Because I was talking to some people who said, look, in Kingston, they would have said the bad spot in the island. And we shot that, you know, so this will start everything through because politics from in the 70s. I don't joke about it. See? And if I walk in through Kingston in like district area, like King Street, go down like shopping area,
Right.
you'll find no fight. But by the time you go home and put on your radio, you see how much people dead. You know? It's not everybody in Jamaica who do that. I mean to say, it's just a handful of individuals
Yes.
who do these things and come from front line and make it go on like a Jamaican and no way. And them, look how much I wish I just good. I think everybody in Jamaica walk with them pants and them gray and anything and they go on some kind of way.
Yeah.
No man. See? I know every girl out there, I get, you know, you have nice woman. I mean nice woman and nice man. Powerful woman and powerful man.
Yeah.
You know what I say?
Yes.
Because right now, remember I said we are one nation who sing great reggae music within the message and say, go back to Free Mandela. Many artists sing and when they sing the boot of Free Mandela. We are the one who sing peace and love of Rastafari. From the Peter Touch, Tony Wheeler, Bob Marley, Wheeling Soul, and come down to all them bands which I give to like Fab Five and Unique Vision and all these people, you know, Sweet Gregory Isaac, Dennis Brown,
Yes.
Marcia them,
Yes.
come down to some young artists like Alien and I mean, you know, them people, you know.
And I think what is giving the island a bad reputation as well is the scamming. They get rich quick.
Well, you see, make I tell you something, you know. You see, sometimes, and we have to look into on a level.
Yeah.
Because these smaller people never know nothing about it. This thing was original from a long time from out of the system of these people who do the white collar crime.
Yes.
White collar crime pocket the smaller things.
Yes. Somebody at the top of the information.
Me talk about all them somebody, me talk about most of them doctors there and lawyer there. And all them politicians there. And top criminals what we have in the island and go on like somebody who is nobody and nothing at all.
Yes.
See, we should look respect. We should not get no respect for no one and this kind of class. Things come so sensible. People come so sensible nowadays with technology and everything. We should know who to give respect to. These are the people, so-called people should mash up the island. This is the problem we have with these so-called people who mash up the island. Just check us that if it was not for us, who would say, yo, what's it now? Take a long man, let's think on a level. Saying, what would happen? Saying, so that's how the thing go, you know?
Anyway, thank you for having me.
Yeah man, and this is and that music you hear over there, It's a radio station from Papadi, Dub Party International, Dub Party FM.
Okay, thank you for having me,
Blessed
sir.
love, give thanks every time in the name of the Almighty. Saying more
Alright.
guidance and more love. Saying
Same to you.
strength and power and glory.
Alright.
Blessed love.
Ah,
Triplets bird.
triplets birds.
Yeah, so.
So you're feeding
Yeah,
them?
this is man, I always see this bird. This bird don't be so much.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, always come up and one time.
You have to be kind-natured for animals to attach to you, know. Ah.
And it's not easy. It's not easy to tame all these birds. Because these birds no one can tame them.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, man. No one can tame them.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, man.
This is awesome. I didn't plan for this.
And even the fishes them sometimes.
You call the fishes as well?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Millions of fishes.
Whoa, I've never seen this before. I've seen like the doctor bird being called, but not this kind of bird.
Yes, man.
What's its name again?
These are sea pigeons.
Sea pigeons. Oh my goodness.
Because remember you have the gull, you have the lark, you have sea pigeon, you have all different nature of birds by the season.
My YouTube family, this is a blessed day. I don't know why I stop here.
That's what I said, man.
Woo!
So this is me, man. This is bugger up. Everybody knows that's bugger up team, and that's why I see it. You know.
Oh my goodness, people.
Triplets on the page. That's good. Dub Party FM.
Woo! And you also have a radio station here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Papa D radio station.
Papa D radio station. Wow, look at that bird above your head, man. They're used to you.
Yes, man.
Mm-mm.
But it's really good about them.
Oh my goodness, this is awesome. Ah, look at that. Oy. He's a beauty. Ah,
You can't walk and go straight out to them and look inside.
really? Can I do that? Yeah, we can come towards the edge.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah. That's our crab. So guys, I'm going towards the birds.